Oh, my mom.
Let's see what order I got today. Today a designer transferred 1,000 yuan to me. He has a project to build a night view of the park. He wanted me to make stone lamps that would light up and could be used outdoors for a long time. I'm looking for a real photo of the stone first, as a reference for later modeling. Stones are really exotic, it's no wonder they are so popular. We are not afraid at all. Let's do 3D modeling. Still need to pay attention to the surface detail texturing when modeling. The final product needs to be illuminated. Let's choose the translucent MMLA as filaments. The surface of the stone is printed in white to facilitate the process processing. Let's go print. The workshop is printing so many things today, so let's go find the highlights. This is supposed to be industrial parts. I heard it used underwater. These are flexible materials, which are quite suitable for printing garments, shoes. This is purple filaments. Love it. It's done. Let's take it down. The texture of the print is very nice. Through the top, looks very stylish. Color the stone lamp. Go to see the actual effect. Take a picture to show customers what a beautiful and practical landscape light it is for the garden. You can leave a comment. What kind of landscaping lights do you want? Just in case they come true, we use 3D printing to help you realize your idea.
记得点赞关注哦。